Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we'll talk about the product reviews widget brought to you by the Ultimate Store Kit plugin for Elementor. Product reviews are one of the main facts to butter your customers into your business by showing the positive feedback of your existing customers. Reviews are mainly words with a genuine customer profile picture, name, purchased product name, and a rating to describe their full experience with the product. The interface is simple enough to deliver the customer reviews in plain but bold. And there are lots of customization you can make to build unique types of reviews layouts that suits your business with our product reviews widget. The most eye-catchy interface would be plain white text on top with deep colored background like the last demonstration here. This is our product reviews widget that you can use on your online website to attract more customers into your business. Alright, let's look at the backend customizations for the product reviews widget. Let's drag and drop the widget inside the page editor window. This is the default appearance of the widget, which presents a creamy colored background with ash colored text and golden rating stars. From the options, you can drag this scroll bar to adjust the item gaps between the review items. Then there's a text HTML tag selector and an option to change the author image sizes. Next, the query section is where you can adjust the maximum limit of reviews displayed through the widget. Let's drag the bar to change the limit and see how it changes over the screen. Then there are some sorting options right below where you can select the order of the reviews to be displayed. You can also display reviews by their status. The additional section gives you a bunch of switchers that you can use to show or hide certain items on the display. For instance, let's turn off the author switcher to hide the author's name completely. Let's switch it back on. Now moving to the Style tab, here you can find border, margin, padding, and background color options for the items in the first section. Let's customize the padding to shape the area of the content. After that, we can add a thin border to the items, removing border values except for the bottom width. Then we can select a nice border color for the reviews. For the background color, let's select a fully transparent color by dialing down the opacity bar. Then we can add and customize the border shadow to perfectly match the review boxes, barely visible and okay for most types of backgrounds. Next, moving on to the image section, let's adjust the space between the author image and meta text from here. Then we can put 0 on the border radius field to make the images squares. For the titles, we can add a similar tone as the border in the title hover color field. We can check that out by hovering. Then for the rating, let's change the icon color to a similar tone as well as put the same color on the background. Just tone down the opacity for the background till you get a satisfying result. Perfect! Now you can let your users look into this minimalistic, eye-catchy product review section and boost engagements. That's all for the product reviews widget. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and get new video updates. See you next time.